Hello my friends, welcome back to my new Bitcoin mining video. In today's video, we are going to discuss referrals. Now, for those of you that are interested in referring people on this platform, what I will have to say to you is your earnings for your referral differs depending on the amount of money that your referrals are using to start this program. Now, every single person that you refer, you will earn 0.1% commission from mining fuel spent by the users that you refer. And the referral levels are only 5 levels, guys. Okay, then you will also get instant FNBTC paid to your referral wallet. Now, let me show you that before I continue. So, if you refer somebody, you will notice that you have fuel spent by the team. This is the one that they are saying that you will get instant FNBTC paid into your wallet or credited into your wallet. And if you look at what they are writing here, they said you will earn 0.24% commission on each level that you have your referral steam mining fuel purchases. So if you start this program today with say $100, the person that referred you is going to get 0.24% from that $100. That is the instant payment that you are going to get. And then after that, the subsequent mining that your member is going to be performing every 4 hours, they will pay you a commission of 0.1%. And there is no limit to the amount of referrals network that you will get. And your instant FNBTC can be withdrawn immediately. Okay, you do not have to wait for the 4 hours to complete. As long as that person has gone into registration, completed the registration, and then gone into mining, you will be able to earn, first of all, 0.24% direct commission, and then later on, every 4 hours, they will pay you 0.1% commission for that your member mining every 4 hours. Simple. That is how it works with this NEWBTC mining program. Is easy for anybody to join using the link below this video description. I have done step-by-step video showing you how to join this platform, and you are more than welcome to use the link below this video description to join this platform. Okay, and as they say, this is the only 2 referrals so far that I have made while I am testing this program. Now, these 2 have started mining, and this is what I have earned so far from just 2 people. Okay, the more you refer people, the more you earn. For the second level, okay, the commission earned by level, this one is the one you get for every 4 hours that your members mine. You will get that rewards given to you. The first one is fuel spent by the team. This is the first 0.24% commission that you get for every single person deposit that has made into the mining pool. The commission earned is the 0.1% that you get every 4 hours from your team members. That is it, guys. If you would like to join this platform, you are more than welcome to do so. Now remember, every single thing we are doing online is very, very risky. So think carefully before you put your money into any platform. This is the fair warning that I give to everybody that is joining me in all my programs, because I know that nothing is guaranteed. So any money we are using to start mining in this platform, we are risking that money and anything can happen. However, as long as you have performed your mining every 4 hours, 6 times a day, so I'm saying this because I know that we can make this money within this period of time. Consistent mining every 4 hours, we make that happen. If you don't mine every 4 hours, that will make the days we are going to break even to go further than 10 days, right? So once again, the link to join is below this video description. If you are happy and you want to start mining, you are more than welcome to join my team, and let us dig into this platform. Let us continue to enjoy the profit that we are getting on a daily basis. Thank you and God bless.